Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Razorpay to your Wix website, so let's get right into it. Now, there is one flaw in this tutorial, and that is that I'm not located in India, so I cannot show you how you can directly enable Razorpay, since Razorpay is not available in my region. However, I can give you some pointers as to where you can look for the connect option, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard right now, and what you need to do to connect any payment method is to go over here, hover over getting paid, and then click on connect and setup. Once you go here, as you can see, you have this option to connect payment methods, so just click on that. As you can see, for now, or for my region, the only available ones are PayPal and manual payments. If you're in India, you will have Razorpay as an option over here, and you'll just need to click connect. Now, I'll switch over to a tab about Razorpay over here, which is in the help center, and I'll show you what you need to enter. If you already have an account on Razorpay, you need to enter your key ID, your key secret, and the site URL, and then click connect. Or if you don't have one, you need to create a Razorpay account, fill in the Razorpay registration form, and once it's approved, you need to sign into your account to retrieve the key ID and key secret, and then return to the accept payments tab, which is this one, and here you'll be able to follow the steps of this. You just need to enter the key ID, key secret, and site URL, and you'll click connect, and you'll have the option to have an account to connect to your account, just like this. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.